Hey guys, it's your girl Zandy and I'm back with another video. Guess what? Okay, let me just close the door please. Okay guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Zandy baby. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please stay. I'm turning 21. Dude, I'm so excited. I just did my hair, so do not mind me being stiff. This is the day before my 21st birthday. This is 24th of July. So what we're doing now is we're getting our hair done and we're blowing balloons and we're doing things like we're decorating because we're doing the decor ourselves, which is really scary and exciting at the same time. But please stay tuned so you can see how the rest of the things go. Okay, so we are decorating. We are blowing up balloons. Okay, I'm not blowing up balloons because like, dude, are you not afraid of blowing balloons? Like that's the scariest thing to do on earth. What's what is ending as I'm like, hey daddy, I'm opening this baby. So I just did my hair, so don't mind me being stiff. It's very baby. Okay, so this is how you open this. Look. Let's use there's a manual. Okay. Because rocket science. So guys, yeah man, I'm turning 21. That's the cutest thing ever. I'm not done by the way, you can see. I'm not done. But anyway. It's very cute. Cute balloons. Cute balloons. So I'll show you after this. I'm going to show you the setup, like when we go and put the drapings and the stuff. You know, hire us. Okay, let me go and help out for real this time. Let me help people out. Hey guys, it's your girl Zandy baby. This is the next morning. This is my birthday morning. It's cold, as I said last night, but it's much better today. So, and we're just tidying up the yard before we do the decor. And yo man, it's so yeah, I'm gonna show you when we set up the decor because right now we're just tidying up the yard a bit and watering the sand because it gets a little dusty, a little too dusty for my liking. So see you in a bit. Okay, a little tour before everything. Do not mind this mess. So we're starting to set up the decor. It's like somebody's cut. It's 44 minutes past 10 and we're trying to just start setting up the decor. Let me show you. And then over here we have Tiffany chairs that we're going to use on the main table. Lelo, thank you. Okay, so I'm going to try to place my camera here so you can see. So this is the outcome of these chairs. This is the cloth we were cutting right now. This fire is playing games, eh? Okay, now. It's looking cute, looking cute. Okay, I can leave this and go mind other things. Guys, this is how it looks so far. This is what we've managed to do so far. This is the DJ set, and that's the other table. So the baddest bitches in the game are doing my hair. Listen!
I had a dream about you. You were right in front of me in a white dress, staring in my eyes. I'm hooked to your smile, I can't deny it. I can't believe I'm crying, but I see this is true. You're the one for me. My heart is beating fast to the rhythm of your soul. Andikwazi nokuzibamba inhliziyo iyavuya. Thatha isandla sami.
Abo baby girl, yeah boo, yeah boo, yeah boo. Ay, yeah boo, yeah boo. Yeah boo. Yes.
I'm 21 years old.
You know what I'm saying?
But ngithanda ukubonga ukuthi nabazali abangikhulisile ngaba nje. Ngaba ngibanga nje. Ngaphandle kwabazali bami. Ngithanda the way bangikhulisa ngakhona, ngithanda ukubonga lokho. If bangikhulisa ngendlela mhlawumbe ngabe angisizi umuntu engiwona namhlanje ngiyatshontsha understand hayo man isimo ne-situation
Yes.
Abangani. Show me your friends
Yes.
and I will show you
Your future, man.
mara mangihlala nabangani bami hayi guys mangihlala nabangani bami
Awunhlanhlano ezinde.
I tell you guys, I knew ukuthi ngo-2021 I would be here. And I will be saying this speech.
Yes.
I'm proud man to say
On a yacht. In Dubai. Cause if you're not at the beach, then where the fuck you at? How old are you now?
How old are you now? How old are you now?
Oh, guys. Hip hip hooray! Hooray! Ah, ah. Ah, ah. Ah, ah. Ah, ah. Ah, ah. Yeah!